guys! This is the 7th video of our beginning tap tutorial series, and today you're going to learn the difference between hops, leaps, jumps, and chugs. Today's video is going to be super short and sweet, but you want to make sure and stay until the end because we're going to be putting a little combination to music. And this time I'm going to offer two different versions, a basic version of the combination and a little bit more advanced version. So you get to choose. All right, let's go. We're going to start with a hop today, and a hop involves one foot. You're going to lift your foot off the ground so that one foot remains. You are going to then hop on this foot. Now you're going to try to keep your heel up. I'm going to do it to the back so that you can take a look. Hop. Try to keep your heel up. You're going to pull in your core to do that. So again, a hop is on one foot. Hop. Now a leap is on both feet and you go from one to the other. So whereas a hop is here on one foot, a leap goes from one foot to the other foot. Again, to the back so that you can see that my heel is still raised, we go from one foot to the other foot. Our third step today is called a jump. And a jump involves both feet as well, but this time, both feet start on the floor together and land back on the floor together. So this is a jump. Again, keeping your heels up. To the back, jump. Now a jump can be right under you. It can be out from you. You can split and come back together. It's a lot of fun. And finally, our fourth and final step for today is called a chug. I am definitely going to do this to the back so that you can take a look, but a chug involves both feet as well. You're going to start with the balls of your feet on the floor with your heels lifted. You're going to scoot the balls of your feet forward and then put your heels down. Take a look at it to the back. We start with our heels up on the balls of our feet. We're going to slide them forward and put our heels down. So again, to the front, that is chug. To the side, chug. So the balls of your feet never actually leave the ground. They just slide along and then you put your heels down. Those are a lot of fun. Now there is one additional thing that I want to add in. It's just something for you to think about while you're doing all four of these moves. So if you've watched from the beginning of the beginning tap tutorial series and are learning along the way, you will notice that several times I have said that tap is really into the floor, which means that you typically have your knees bent and it's all about the sounds and your connection with the floor. So whereas ballet is very pulled up, tap is really down and into the floor. So I want that same idea to apply to the hop, leap, jump, and chug. For example, let's say if I were in a ballet class, I might do a jump and I would want to get really, really high off the floor. I would want it to appear that I'm flying. With tap, that's not the case, unless a choreographer tells you to do so, and they might have a specific reason for doing that. You want to make sure all of your jumps and your hops and your leaps are really, really into the floor, like this. So again, to the back, rather than a jump like this, you're going to do a jump like this. I hope that makes sense, and if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comment box below, and I will do my best to answer them. Okay, now let's get to the hop, leap, jump, and chug combination. I am going to do this two different ways. I'm going to give you two options here. The first option is going to be very basic, and it's just so that you can get the feel of where your weight should be during the hop, the leap, the jump, and the chug. The second variation I'm going to give you the second time we run through the combination, we're going to add in a shuffle. And for those of you who have been doing the tap tutorial series, you've already learned the shuffle, so it should be a pretty easy add-in. For those of you who haven't yet learned the shuffle, check out that video there. We're going to start this combination on the left foot. So you're going to start with 3 hops. Hop, 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 and then you're gonna change over to a leap. You're gonna lose your balance during this because we're going slow, so I'm right there with you. So again, 3 hops on the left foot, and then we're gonna leap over to the right foot. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, 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 leap. Great. So now we're on the right foot. We're gonna do 3 hops there and a leap back to the left foot. Hop, 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 leap. Make sure to keep your heels up if you can. We're gonna do it one more time on the left foot. This time it's gonna be a little bit different. We're going to do 3 hops and then a step on the right foot. So we do hop, 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 step. So your weight is equally distributed on both feet. Then from here, we are going to jump out. Again, no heels. We're going to jump in, and then we're going to do a chug. So remember, we keep the balls of our feet on the floor, and then we slide it and drop our heels. Great, so let's try all of that from the beginning, and we'll keep going from there. Starting with the left foot, 3 hops. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, 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 leap, hop, 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 leap, hop, 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 step. Here we go. Jump, jump, chug. Great. So now we're gonna do it on the right foot. Same exact thing. So we do hop, 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 leap, hop, 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 leap, hop, 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 step, jump, jump, chug. Let's try that with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. First round. Now we are going to add the shuffle. The shuffle comes in after every hop. With the first combination we did, the counts are very even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 throughout the entire combination. This time the counts are going to be 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6 and a 7 and 8. Take a look. So starting with the left foot, we're going to do hop, shuffle, leap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, shuffle, leap. Now we're gonna repeat it again on the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, shuffle, leap. One more time on the left foot. We're not going to do that leap at the end. We're going to do the step, just like in the first variation. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, shuffle, step. Weight on both of our feet. Now we're gonna do exactly the same thing that we did in the first. Jump out, jump in, chug forward. One more time and then we'll try it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hop, shuffle, leap. Hop, shuffle, leap. Hop, shuffle, step, out, in, chug. Let's try it with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. You know the difference between a hop, leap, a jump, and a chug, you can start adding them into your tap rep at home. You guys have been doing a great job in this beginning tap tutorial series, and I want you to keep going. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you're alerted every time a new video is uploaded. If you've just happened upon this video today and you're new to tap but would like to learn some more basic steps, go ahead and check out the beginning tap tutorial series. Thanks guys! Keep tapping, and I will see you in the next video.